Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Luminar Neo is updated and you have the preset files handy. Once done, open Neo and import a representative image to test presets. Make sure the Develop or Edit workspace is active so you can see changes in real time. If a preset comes as a zip, extract it now. This step avoids wasted clicks later and verifies compatibility before you import multiple presets into your library. Next, open the Presets panel and choose Add or Import Preset. Neo accepts. Lumen preset and some XMP types. You can drag files directly into the panel or use the import dialog to place them into a custom category. Name each preset clearly and assign a folder so you can find it later. Apply the preset to your test image and fine-tune the adjustments. This helps you confirm the preset behaves as intended across exposure, color, and masking layers. Finally, organize presets into folders and mark favorites to speed future edits. Export any custom preset bundle for backup or to share with collaborators. Neo's export preserves adjustments and masks. If a preset fails to load, first confirm the file extension and Neo version compatibility, then restart the app. If problems persist, reinstall the preset from the original file or reset Neo's presets cache. That usually resolves corruption or indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.